Hello guys, my name is Rushikesh. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate sum of two arrays elements. To calculate the sum of two arrays element by elements in Java, both arrays must be equal type. If you taken byte of type array, then the second array must be in byte, okay, and equal size. If the length of array is 4, then the must second length of array is same as first array. If they have different type or different sizes, then we will get error. Which error? The error name is illegal argument exception. How to overcome this exception? In this array we will store the sum of first and second array, okay, second array's elements. Int arr3 array equals to new int, then pass the length, means saying that the length of third array is same like first array length, okay, semicolon. To subscribe our channel and please do like to this video. To solve this problem, we have to create a third array which type is also same as first two arrays and then same size, and then store the sum of corresponding elements of the given array. Let's start the coding. First, decide which type of array you want to take. In this video, I am going to take int type of array, int arr1 array, then passing elements 10, 20, 30, 40 are the elements of first array. Then find length of array, first array, int length equals to arr1 dot length. Length is the inbuilt method to find the length of array. Then create a new array which type of int arr2 array and pass the elements of second array, 20, 30, 40, 50 are the elements of second array, and take the third array. How to iterate these arrays using for loop? I made a video on this topic. If you want to watch this, find this video on the above section and watch this video. So for loop, int I equals to 0 means array is starting from 0 and I is less than arr1 dot length, means current I is less than, means I is initializing from 0 and the length of array is greater than 0, so that's why I is less than array dot length. Then increment, means if the condition is satisfied, then next element, then here display it, whatever you iterate, display it, okay, sys out, and then arr first, and then index, and separate it using every element, separate it using space. But before displaying that, I want to show that the elements are the first array. Sys out ARR array first and its elements. So we are going to run this program, but elements are printing on every new line. So I'm removing ln and this line also, because I want to print on same line. Okay, are the elements of first array, and same like on for second array. Array second, but print on new line. ln second array, and here array second, here array second. Okay, print it. Okay, both array printed on this, printed successfully. So our aim to calculate sum of two arrays elements. How to calculate sum using same for loop. Okay, array third, and here we are not displaying it, we are calculating the sum of two arrays element. Then how to calculate array third? I equals to array first index I plus array second and its index. Okay, is the sum of array first and array second. So I want to display it, but sys out the sum of two arrays elements is arrays dot toString and pass the array third. We will get sum of two arrays element, means expected result is 10 plus 20 30, 20 plus 30 equals to 50, 30 plus 40 equals to 70, 40 plus 50 equals to 90. Then we will see but it, why this stuff? Okay, sys out, single sys out statement and then run it. Okay, the output is 30, 50, 70 and 90. As we expected, the result is. So guys, for more videos, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and more share this with your friends. Okay guys, we will meet in next video.